Introducing the new 3.3-inch Android Smart All-in-One Terminal combining high-definition display, intelligent recognition, and industrial-grade reliability in one powerful device. Featuring a 3.3-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Delivering sharp visuals and vivid details. Equipped with responsive 10-point capacitive touch technology for smooth and intuitive interaction. Built with a 2-megapixel HD camera, enabling intelligent recognition for identity verification and interactive applications. Integrated RFID technology allows fast card reading, secure authentication, and seamless data interaction. Powered by the high-performance RK3399 processor, ensuring stable and efficient operation with support for both Android and Linux systems. A wide range of industrial interfaces provides flexible connectivity for diverse application requirements. With an IP65 rated front panel, the device is designed to perform reliably even in demanding industrial environments. Ideal for a wide range of applications, including smart retail, access control, healthcare systems, and industrial automation. The 3.3-inch Android Smart All-in-One Terminal, making intelligent interaction smarter, faster, and more efficient.